Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by gathering the essential documents: government photo ID, proof of address, and any TIN reference you already have. Once done, sit at a device with a working camera and steady internet. Make sure your browser is updated. Navigate to the official TIN Digital ID portal and click Apply, selecting the correct applicant type. You're starting the live verification and form entry now, so have document images ready to upload and a quiet place for a quick selfie verification. Now you move through the verification flow. Carefully type your name, birth date, and TIN exactly as on the ID because mismatches slow approval. Next, upload clear, high-resolution images of the ID front and back, your proof of address, and take the required selfie. Follow on-screen framing guides. After uploading, complete biometric matching and respond to OTP codes sent to your phone or email. If a field flags, correct it immediately and resubmit the single corrected document to avoid repeating steps. Finish by carefully reviewing the summary page. Accept any declarations and provide the digital signature or PIN where requested. Once submitted, save the confirmation receipt and reference number, screenshot the page, and email the receipt to yourself for records. If processing is pending, allow the stated time. If verification fails, retry BetterLit Photos, clear your browser cache, or use a different device. And if problems persist, contact the portal help desk with your reference number so they can resolve identity mismatches quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.